In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals error code 220. Now the first that I suggest you do is you come here and search for View, Network Connections, find your internet and go to Properties, find Protocol version 4. In here use the following DNS and type in 88888844. Press OK and then see if this one works. Now if that still doesn't work, what you should do is you should right click on it, Properties, Installed Files and go to Browse. Find your launcher, right click, Properties, Compatibility and try and activate these two. See if this one works, and if that doesn't work, you should search for Firewall and we want to allow it through the firewall. Allow an app right here, change settings, see if you already have it. Now if you already have it, you want to make sure all three boxes are checked, and if you have multiple, you want to do it on all of them. If you don't have it, find the folder right here, press allow another app, browse, and then just go to the exact folder and select your launcher, open and add it. Once you've done all of this, it should hopefully work, but if it's still not working, you can open up CMD as an administrator. Once it's open, type ipconfig space //DNS, then type netsh space winsock space reset. Once you've done all of this, you want to search for internet or network reset, Come in here and press reset now. This will reset the internet settings on your PC and it will also restart the PC. Once you've done all of this, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, you can unplug your router inside your house for a few minutes and then plug it back in. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.